Ngon một chục
Yeah,
à.
I was about to bring some too, but I think that first time out, do any of y'all smoke?
Ito was shield.
Yo, I have some jerky.
Cái tế trọng của bái ở cái chút bá.
Cái gì
Cái
nó
chút bá.
cái gì nó nào hơn đây là một sự nó ném pip bông.
Thanks for helping, bro.
Yes. Got you.
That changed it, right? You're like, damn, what the fuck? So, like, when you went to your brother,
No, I just don't want to settle.
Too complicated? Woman too complicated for you? Lâu lại.
Like
that happened.
True, true.
So you don't know, like, lucky them or anything like that? You don't know any of these other guys?
Well, it's a thing to wait, but then at the same time, they give you change.
drink that shit.
Yeah, yeah.
Or like
I know exactly.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
So I broke.
Oh, I think they cleared that out already.
Fish tomorrow, but
Lettuce shit.
Oh my God, I know. Now you're gonna miss out. I mean, I'm gonna slow down because I bought too many today.
you're fine. Okay,
I just like the joy of it. Yeah.
you're pretty good.
No. Tao mắt đáo. Yeah, probably. It's because I kind of know where they're at. I'm like the bass.
I'd rather get water than acid.
That's why I know where the bass are at. I'm like, oh, right here.
After that,
For sure.
I won't touch my dad's picture that has memorial.
So that's pretty much what happened last time. I'm like,
Yeah, I know. We know this. Oh shit, hell yeah, I want some.
oh, no, I don't want the whole thing. Pass it, oh yeah.
Get energy from that.
Bro.
We're that's her age. We were. Serve you food. Bro. I know. And let me know what your diet is. You know, like shit. I got you.
There's no diet.
No, there is. Cause like once you get old, there's mechanic, there's parade, there's the regular.
That's only when we hit 55.
Hey, yeah, good. Eat good right now, right? Eat good right now.
Damn, Miss I. You got eat tonight.
Me too. Give me cup noodles all day.
We will meet them on the other end of that.
Hmm?
We will meet them on the other side over there.
This is the campsite. Rồi nói để mình chơi hả? Có tụi tôi chẳng là tụi con bé mà nó chẳng đã. Ồ, cái mấy tụi mong nhớ bố thì bà đây tiểu. Ồ, tụi girl man, my creek chub. Fuel I'm using for bait. Yeah.
They so.
It said must go in pairs.
Really?
Yeah, a guy and a girl must go in pair only in here. Can't go singly. Not much for mosquitoes.
On and off.
Well, yeah.
Oh, it looks kind of deep right here, actually. It doesn't even feel
I gotta put my phone down. We did it. We passed the rapples. What y'all call it? The rapples? Rapids.
Rapid.
Do you know when they got turned in a circle? Oh, they hit the rock.
Remember the last time we were here?
Yeah.
Look how shallow over there is. You would have been.
We did it, man. Here we go again.
Just another tiny one.
I don't know.
Oh my god, look at there's an afro.
There goes the mommy and daddy in the front.
Yeah, let it loose.
Hell yeah, that's a big muskie.
Yeah, the muskie. Oh shit,
I
it was a muskie.
almost fell off the fucking canoe, bro.
Oh my god, that shit was scary. Oh,
Now I don't want to be in the water.
Yeah, it's kind of deep over here.
yeah.
Inside, musky.
What are you gonna do it? Are they fighting over it? That fish must be big. Oh. Now to hold tự slide it. Oh, there you go.
Did he grab it?
It's flying now. Flying away.
I think he got the fish now. He did drop it from all the way in the sky.
Yeah.
The other guy almost caught it. Where'd they go?